Friend, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will see how we can generate one QR code through Node.js API. So we will basically API will retrieve the JSON data through code string, and it will convert that JSON data into QR code, and that API, after generating the QR code, it will send the base 64 of that generated QR code as a response. So we will see how it will work, and API will be get API in Node.js. So we will see how it will work basically. So let's check. This is the code. You can see this is the QR code library. So to install this, you have to simply run command npm install QR code. I'm not going to run this because it's already available inside this project. So before starting this, make sure you have installed this plugin npm install QR code, and after this you can import this like using require method, and it will assign to the QR code constant property. So make sure you have installed and import like this, and after this is the API code. We will use express.js to generate the API. So this is the another thing, but we'll see how we can get the QR code through some data. So the API, this is the API. So this is the get API. You can see this is the get method, and inside get method we pass the data as a query string, and the query string will retrieve in this val property using the req.query.data, and so it will basically retrieve the data, query string data, and assign to that val property. And we have import QR code here, and it is assigned to a constant property QR code. So QR code have one method to data URL. So basically it will return the base 64 of that value, and that value which passed through query string in the API URL is passed in this method to data URL, and it's return the promise, and inside promise we have the actual value which is sent to the as a response through the send method. Here is the line of code. So this if any error occur, it will send the error. So let's check the API how it will work. So we will start the Node.js by calling npm start, and it is start now. And so let's try to build this. We call this API, and you can see it returns send the data, send the base 64 basically. So this is the simple string, but we can pass the JSON data also. So let's say we have passed ID test, ID is test ID, okay, and name is test name. So this is the JSON data. You can see this is the JSON data as a query string, and when you press enter, it will just retrieve one base 64 of that data, and when we paste this inside another tab, it will give us the QR code of that data. So this way it is working. Hope you like this. So thank you.